Well, I forgot to get some stuff for the Super Bowl party tonight at the house. So Oakley and I decided we'd run to the store, and I'm going to make some, it's a dip, it's called, I don't know what it's called. It's budding, I think it's called budding ham. I'll show you. And then I take cream cheese and green onions and chop it all up and mix it together. And then I put it on Ritz crackers, or whatever kind of crackers you like. But my daughter's begging me to make it, so I'm gonna run into the store here and go grab it, and then when I get home, I'll show you how to make it, because it's pretty good stuff. See you soon, guys. All right, I made it back from the store. I got everything I needed to throw this this dip together. I got the, whoops, here's one. This is what I use. Feel free, there we go, to use whatever you like. This is just my favorite brand. Use any kind of lunch meat that you think would be good in it. And then I've got 2 packages of cream cheese. And you can make this however big or little you want. You could use 1 package cream cheese. I don't have an exact recipe. I just start throwing it in and get everything to the consistency, whatever you want to call it, that I like. And then I've got some green onions. That's it. And then I mix it all up, serve it on a Ritz cracker, and my family loves it. I'm making it for the Super Bowl party today, and it'll actually be the first time my granddaughter's ever had it, so she's kind of a foodie, so I'm kind of excited. So they're all coming to my house, so I'll show you how I kind of whip this up together, and then I gotta move on to lemon bars. I'll kind of show you that briefly, and I'm gonna try to make some donuts if I can make it. Cross my fingers. And still clean the house. Yeah, we'll see what I get accomplished. I got everything in here ready to go. It smells absolutely delicious. I'm gonna try this and see if this will work. If not, don't try this. I think we're good to go. This is way easier than trying to do it by hand, let me tell you what. Let me grab my spatula. And once I do this, this is kind of when I decide, you know, do I need more green onion? Do I need more ham? And then, you know, you put in there whatever you would like. Everybody has their own taste, their own differences. Yeah. Wow, that's quick. definitely a winner. If you have a mixer, I would say do that. Oh my gosh. That saves so much time. Marvelous. Oh. I think that is almost perfect. I'm gonna go try it. See what I think. See if I need more ham. And let you know exactly of how much of everything that I have in here. Alright, here is the finished product of the dip or spread or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to say it probably came out to be about 5 cups worth. I think this is like a 6-cup bowl. So what it is it turned out to be 10 packages of the budding ham. Technically you could have done 8, but I got them 5 for $3 and I just wanted to use them up. 8 wasn't bad. So 8 to 10, whatever your preference is. And then I had 3 bundles of green onions and 2 packages of cream cheese. And that's what it is. I did not add any vegetables, any seasonings. I mean, technically you could still add on to this whatever you like. I like it just like this. I didn't add any salt, pepper. I'm trying to cut back on that stuff, so, well, at least the salt, because I love salt. But that's how I eat it. Let me know if you try it, how you like it, or what you would change. What else would you add to it? Because that would be good too. I hope you enjoy it, guys.